I go to am no bodo now. I can say to be able to job just like that. If you able to one raka. And then you go visiting visa be at the show ni mwere. A landing person get picky for Aduro. Aduro no problem, but again when did he? But in one raka already been a professional, but if you're with school, Italy will be one of the places with the cheapest tuition fee. Our nurses, at least I help people. I'm not an agent to all family members. I'm not an agent. I'm working for myself, living in Rome for more than 15 years. So, if you Italy, very go anymore. At least being a professional, you are okay. You are okay. You want a magazine work in Italy, you are okay. People will tell you that there is no work in Italy, but it's a lie. There is work.
Italy, thank you for the gift.
Even Italy, number one thing, you learn the language. Then advantage I worry as in Igbo.
Learn the language.
Language Italy the Noka. Igbo language. Come on, they translate English to Igbo. You translate Italian language to Igbo. All the same thing. Italy worry. Nye, we, be, a, b, c, d. Pronunciation a, b, c, d have the same pronunciation A, B, C in Italy. You understand? So what here catch you back here? Hey,
my brother, it's in Italy where ABCD. My brother, the question in no Italy, no. Italy and Aku into go. Oh, you need to. Or you want to 3 million, or you save 3 million in a month, or the possible.
It depends on your work. You can save 1 million, you can save 1.5, but it depends on your work and your livelihood.
And your livelihood.
Maybe na flat, na 700 euro a month. So, and when the baby na 300, when the baby na 200. So, depending on your target and your level, you can get bonagero. I come beg now. And when they are bricklayer, they read the 2,000 something in a month.
Bricklayer.
What are you talking Italy here? Italy with much constructions. People will tell you Germany and Italy. Italy build every time. They are a developed country that keeps maintaining their development steady. So people that are construction, they buy in them. Now what am I doing in the weekend? They are on Sunday. Come back and enjoy yourself. They save their money. You can hold a bricklayer. The next thing you hope to go in. How far? On an ataja now. But I'm next time I'm going to school. Now again, in the next 5 years, life here changing. I'm going to say,